Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a beautiful kurti or top. This one I got it from Chennai Silks, Hyderabad. The price of this is very minimal. I'm going to reveal the price only at the end of my video. The reason why I got this is due to the color combinations. Purple, black, and then this orange design is very good, and also this kind of design is nowadays its trend with all this squares and everything. Also the particular thing I loved it is that orange color stitch, and then the slight unique touch to the entire outfit is awesome. And then the neck design is also very good. I did not get any dupatta for this, and then for the hand sleeves we got the 3x4. The only downside of this dress is even if you iron, due to the soft material we got here, it will get wrinkled very easily. But like I mentioned earlier, I have spent very minimum amount of price for this, so it's nothing when comparative to the price that I've spent. So this is the overall design, and like I mentioned earlier, I did not get any dupattas for this, so I have selected my own dupatta here. And my channel goal is also to spend minimum amount of money and to maximize the look and everything. So this is the first dupatta that I've selected. Very cute dupatta, and I've got this also from Hyderabad for around 600 rupees. This is like a cotton kind of material, and I got this dress and dupatta in two different stores, but I took the dress to the store and then I've tried to match it, and finally I found the perfect combination. So if you notice, the design and everything is awesome with the purple color and everything. So this is a very good dupatta. And then the next one here is, this is like a kind of a shawl. You can wear it as a scarf also. This is a gift. I got it for a wedding, like a goodie bag. And the colors in here are like, neat colors and elegant colors, which are like a perfect match, like to the orange, purple design and everything. I wore this, and then this gave a excellent look to the entire look of my outfit. So friends, viewers and subscribers, this is also a very good tip. If you have a scarf or anything, if it's long enough, then you can wear it as a dupatta. This is what I found once I got this shawl. I was so surprised, and look at the color combinations here. I not only for this dress, I can even match this to the orange color or a yellow color or sky blue color. So that's why I took a close-up look of close-up video of how this shawl looks and everything. So this is like a longer one, so I was able to wear this very easily. The next one, I love this. This is like the overcoat kind of thing. I love this design that they have given here. This one I got it from Bangalore Commercial Street. So in the Commercial Street, they have this beautiful collection, and this is a very big store. So any overcoat here is 600 rupees. I've spent at least like 1 hour because I don't know which one to take, but eventually I ended up taking this white, red and black combination, because I thought this one would be a perfect match to a lot of my outfits that I have. So that's the reason. And again, this is also one of the tip. Try to wear this for the if you don't have any dupatta or anything like this, if you wear it, it will give not only the elegant and neat touch, but it looks like a very classy look. So this is the overall look of the different styles that I have selected today. One dupatta, shawl, and then the coat kind of thing. And this is the necklace that I have designed, and again the locket I have bought it separately, locket or pendant. I have already shared this locket in my previous videos. You can wear it on both sides. The main thing that I have concentrated here is the orange one. I love the dupatta that I have bought, so that's why I tried to do that. And then of course the purple ones. So like I mentioned earlier, you can wear it on the blue side or the red side of the locket. So that's why I've taken a closer look of that. And then this is the overall look of the design. Again, like I mentioned, friends, viewers and subscribers, if you have this kind of beads and everything, different collection, you can do mix and match, and you can wear different styles of designs each time. And doing or making these necklaces are very easy. Once in a while I buy these kind of pendants so that I can mix and match. I can wear it with a silver chain or with like this kind of necklaces. Now moving on to the earrings, these ones are I got these from Commercial Street, Bangalore. I've already shared this in my previous videos. The main reason that I've selected this is like, you know, that black touch and then that light orange color tone here is like giving a unique touch to the dress material or to the dress that we have selected today. And earrings, these are the earrings that I've selected, and it has like that light peach kind of thing, and these are like a hangings kind of design, and look at very well matching to our dress that we have selected today. So this is the closer look again with the light silver tone kind of thing. Any earrings will look good, and look at how well these are matching with the necklace that I have made today. And so friends and viewers, so this is what I was talking. You can mix and match the designs. The money that I've spent on the dress is very minimal, but look at how well we are matching. And moving on to the third ones, these are like so cute earrings. These are like a white stone with a black border on it, very uniquely designed. And again, if you notice, the shape of this earrings is exactly and perfectly matching to the shape that we have on our outfit, that's a square or rectangle design here. So that's the reason I've selected these earrings. And then now moving on to the bracelet, this is one of a kind. The reason is like, you know, this bracelet has that unique touch. Not only unique touch, the way that it gets attached is like, you know, it has that close magnet. It's very simple to wear it, and then look at it can match to more than one. So that's the magnet that I was talking about, very uniquely designed. And then this one, I think I got it from Chennai, and it has more than 2 different colors. You can attach more colors to it. It's been a while, I didn't exactly remember where I got. Moving on to the second ones, this ones I have designed like in a more traditional kind of design. If you notice, this can match with the shawl that we have selected, and here again mix and match with the thread and glass bangles. Very pretty design, and again a mix and match here is like a very good design here. So that's the reason I've selected this. Friends and viewers, let me know what you all think. Now moving on to the third one, this one I've mainly focused on the black and silver tone here, because we got like lot of black going on our top that we have selected today, and this is the closer look of that. And then that black unique design is like very well matching to the dress that we have selected here. And let me know, friends, what you all think. This is all for today. This is the overall look of the entire design that I've selected today, and the money that I have spent on the top is only like 500 rupees, because that day there was on sale. It was on sale. My channel goal here, Shilpa's Home 360's channel goal here is, instead of spending 10,000 or 20,000 rupees and get an expensive look, no, we can even get an expensive look just with you know, spending very little bit of money. And like, you know, 500 rupees, I have showed you how many designs. I have showed you more than 3 kinds of designs. Always save your dupattas. You know, when it's longer or something, then save your dupattas, and you know, you can mix and match. That's my channel goal. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel, friends. That's all for today. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.